All right, all right, guys. So our duck meat is ready, and myself and my wife, we had a taste. We just took one piece and we had a taste of it for the first time in our lives. We had never tasted duck, and I tell you, it is awesome. The taste is over the roof. Now I'm just going to fry some of them. I'll not fry part of it. I'm just taking a part of it that I'll fry, and that's what this video is going to be about. How the duck is fried under very uniform and gentle heat. Stay tuned. So this was the final result, and you can see the vapor coming out. I'm sure you are salivating. Forgive me that I can't get you some to eat, that you just have to watch. But the beauty of it is, as you watch, you can learn and recreate some in your home. Yeah. If you ever get to recreate, or if you intend on recreating what you are seeing here, let me know in the comment section, and then maybe you can reach out if you want further tips on this. I'll let you know. So we are going to start the frying. This is the first piece I'm dipping into the oil. The oil is already on the fire. You saw it from the beginning. So here we go. And I must tell you this, I am not a fan of frying things. Yeah, and I'm sure you can guess why. Well, in case you can't, let me help you. It's because of how sometimes the oil can behave funny. Sometimes bits of the oil won't just splash and you get little burns from the splashes of the oil. I don't like that. I'm not a fan of frying things, but I love fried food. Ironic, huh? Yeah. So we continue the frying. So the frying is ongoing and again under very moderate heat so that it takes its time to fry. I don't like food getting burnt. I've already mentioned this in several of the videos. And whilst you are enjoying the video, please, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe and then tell me why you had not subscribed. And if you're already subscribed, also let me know in the comment section why you love this channel and what you think I can do to make it better so I give you what you are looking for. And I would always advise that as the frying goes on, you check to be sure that you are getting the golden look that you typically be looking out for. Yeah. I just got one here. Ooh, you saw the splash I talked about. This is why I don't like frying things. But hey, sometimes you just have to overcome some of these things and give your family the best, right? Yeah. Hey. I'm still here with you. I'm just focusing on what I'm doing. That's how come I'm quiet. So you see the look I was talking about. I'm not looking to fry it till it's hard. I'm just looking to fry it gently so we get a mildly fried meat which is still relatively soft and tender for easy consumption. And you do want to be monitoring, like I told you, because the last thing you want is to burn your food. Ideally, this should have been deep fried, but this also works. Just that with this approach, you would have to turn the meat quite a lot of times, as compared to deep frying, which would just be the whole meat fully immersed in the hot oil. That would have made life easier, honestly. But hey, in the absence of that, we make do with what we have. That's the beauty of improvisation. If you are salivating from what you are watching, go to the comment section and type, "I am salivating." My wife has been salivating here. Yeah, I don't know if you heard her in the background. She says she's salivating. Yeah. And I'm going to explain the use of one thing you may have seen in the video to you. Adulson. Adulson. So I'm sure you saw this and you might be wondering, what is it for? So here we use this to drain oil from things we fry. It's actually a sieve. It has several uses. One of the uses that we apply is to use it to drain oil from fried food. After using this, then I would also add a tissue which will further drain the oil, because mind you, in as much as we want to enjoy delicious food, we also need to be health conscious. So the duck thigh saw the splash again, and I just got burnt a bit, but hey, it's all part of it. The duck thigh is ready, so I bring it here. Go to the next one. You should see my wife here. I think I have to give her a piece of the meat to enjoy again. She's actually really salivating here, and it hurts me to see her in that situation. So I'm going to help her out. I told you I'm quite good at cooking, and I know you won't believe me, but she would attest to it. So I'm not surprised that she's salivating. And this is also ready. So this is also ready. It goes in here. Then we come back. Now this is also ready. So we get it here, you see, and it goes here. Then we are back. So gradually everything is coming together, and this has shown you the complete journey from the farm when that duck was bathing. You see the duck bathing literally in water, and this is so unfortunately this is the end of that duck. I feel terrible talking about it like that, but hey, it's a food chain, and I'm a human being. I have to eat the duck, and I'm eating the duck. I don't think I'm evil, am I? So this piece is also ready. Yeah, you see? Yummy, right? That it goes here. This is also ready. You see? Yummy, right? Then it goes in here and back. I told you I'm not looking to fry it so it becomes hard. I'm just looking to fry it moderately so that it can be easily consumed and still enjoyed. Now this is also ready. Yeah. So you see that the spices have been fully absorbed by the meat. And that's how come when it's fried, you see some dark spots on it. That's the spices. This is also ready. Please, as you watch, if you are salivating, don't hesitate. Go to the comment section and type, "Oh my God, I am salivating." Yeah, yeah. So the last piece for this first round of frying is also ready. Yeah. Booyah. So this is the first round. And this duck was really big, so we still have quite some quantity of meat left to fry, but we'll end this one